might not. But I think there's my big baby birds.
Yeah, there's a big nest up here.
If you
I don't
can
know
see
if you
it,
can see it.
then I don't know what we should do.
We'll walk closer and try to get a better look at it.
Yeah.
This is what is this called? The naval?
I have no clue.
We have no clue.
This is called the YouTube area.
The YouTube area. Some pretty flowers. We're right along the coast. You can see back in there. It's super windy.
Just so you know, if you want to know where we were, we are in Pensacola Beach.
Pensacola Beach. Okay.
And later we were in New Orleans, and it's actually pronounced New Orleans, but they call it New Orleans. And also we haven't done a YouTube video in a very long time.
No.
So I'll see you later. Goodbye.
There's our nest up there.
Yep.
There is a bird.
If you can see it.
See its wings? There you see its wings a little bit.
Here. If you can see it, make sure to subscribe.
Camp, what do you think? Do you think it's building it, or do you think it's got babies up there?
I think that it is both. It's building it while there's babies in there.
Building it for the babies?
Yeah.
Okay.
Building it for babies. After 2 times we showed you these socks, this is a way better look. We are like really close to it, probably, I don't know, maybe 10 feet away from it. I don't know.
And what do we hear? So up here, so this is the hawk in the nest, we think is a hawk, right? And then you hear that chirping. Let's see, where's that lookout bird? There's the lookout bird. As we got closer, that bird got louder, didn't it?
Yeah.
And what else did it do?
I thought it flapped. It flew.
Flapped its wings?
It's flapped. Yes.
Show me your wing flapping. Okay, give us a warning.
I don't know.
What's
Okay.
the warning sound like?
Yeah, what's your warning sound?
Caw, caw.
Caw, caw, caw. That would make me feel afraid. She's still up there. Ooh, she's mean mugging us.
For a second I thought it was a penguin. I was like, wait, that's a penguin.
Okay, we're going on. We're not going to bother these birds. We just wanted to see them for a minute. Bye, birdie. What are we going to do out here?
We're going to walk.
We're going to walk? Are we going to go on the bird trail?
Yes.
How much did this cost to get into, Campbell? $0.
Yeah.
And it is nice. Look at, we're right on the water here.
I wish I brought my swimming trunks.
Camp Wishy Bros. Someone tries to got a nice little bathroom area for people if they got to go to the bathroom.
Picnic.
Picnic area, right? And there's even, uh-oh, Dad got in a video. And there's even a barbecue little grill. There's several of these little areas, right?
Yes.
Okay, and it's not that windy in here, is it?
No.
It's kind of blocked from the wind.
Also, the picnic area could be a sleeping area.
Could be a sleeping area.
I'm really tired.
Okay, let's go hike. Let's see some birds, okay?
We will see you next time.
What do you have? What are those?
Red velvet woodpecker, coral snake, 9 banded. I have this armadillo. Thank you for helping me. So, and then a panted. Oh, for a second I thought that was an ant, but no, it's a panted leather beetle.
Patent.
Whatever.
These are things we might see on the trail, right?
Yeah, but whatever.
But
Oh,
whatever.
These are what it looks like because they just look brown. And you can feel what they feel like.
Yeah, so we're going to be looking for those things, right?
Yes.
See what we see.
Yeah.
These are really nice trails. Look how, aren't they nice, Camp?
Yes. These are very nice. Okay. Bye. Let's go. My hair is so itchy today. I don't know why.
Because you were out in the sun yesterday. You probably got a sunburn.
Oh yeah. I got a really bad sunburn yesterday.
Was it really bad?
When we were going here, you know how many states we've gone through? This many states.
How many is that?
6.
6 states.
6 states.
How many states will we go through to go home?
6 states.
Yep.
So then that means we would go through 12 states.
Now we're going to be quiet, right? And see if we can see anything cool.
Yeah, so. Okay, dokie. We are done with the hike. Hopefully you were quiet. Hopefully,
Were you quiet?
maybe not. I was quiet. Also not. Slash quiet, slash not. I don't know why I said slash in the start. Okay, but I've got an exploring stick with me. It's hard to hold. What else? We found no animals. I found a bee, and that's mostly it. Oh, no, I didn't find a bee. This person found a bee.
Okay, are we going to go see if we can see anything else?
Yes.